Hello everybody and welcome! In this video I will show you how to change ear tips on your headphones Sony. You have to start by remove the old ear tips. Here we go. Now select new ear tip size and after that attach it. Here we go, and the second one. And we did it! Thank you for watching this video. If you found it helpful, please consider subscribing to the channel and leave the like on the video. It's really important to us. See you later!